Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Lachey Hair. Big shout out to Lachey Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So this is not the first time that I have worked with Lachey Hair. We have worked on seamless clip-ins before, so I will link that. But today I have their highlight clip-ins. This is a 1B-4-27, so it does have the dark root. These are 24 inches. These are 58 grams, and I have 2 packs. I wanted to do the braided method because I really like how little of my natural hair has to be left out, and I always get a seamless blend. So I started with some black clip-ins just to show you the effect. You do not have to follow this method and use black clip-ins. You can do the traditional method where you leave your hair out. But I didn't want to do that. My hair was already braided down, and I just really like this method for a protective style. So I'm going to go in and add the pieces of the highlight clip-ins. These are seamless. The weft is basically invisible. It is a seamless band, and the clips are attached, so it's very comfortable, very undetectable. These packs are 58 grams, so you get 4 pieces. That's another reason why I feel like I needed to add in some more hair. I like fuller installs. So with the 58 grams, you get the 4 pieces. So you get 2 pieces with 2 clips. Those are the ones that I put on the sides. And then you get 2 pieces with 1 clip. So those little, like the smaller piece of clip-ins that you get in a pack. So you get 2 of those. So a total of 4. I had a total of 2 packs. So that is a total of 8 clips. So that was the small piece. I'm going to put those towards the back, and then the bigger pieces I put towards the side.
Like gravity. We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew that we was on? Would be tragedy. My niggas be globe trotting like travel teams. You always in my travel dream.
So for the second pack, once I open that up, I'm going to just start to move up towards the top of my head because I really wanted that color to show through. But I'm not going to hold you. I really like the way this looks with the dark pieces. Like, it's giving like a nice highlight balayage blend. So this is the second pack. And as you can see, I'm putting these up closer to the top because I really want those to show through. And I do like that they have that ombre effects, because if you do the traditional clip-in install and you have your natural leave out, no matter how long or short it is, it's going to get a nice blend because of this root. And some people like that, but like that transition, moving forward, I'm going to continue to put those pieces in. Look how good that looks. It looks so good. So now I'm going to add those little pieces in on the back, and then I'm just going to straighten my hair and leave it out on top. So I have worked with them before. They always come with these cute packagings, which come with lashes, and it has clips, and you do have sectioning clips, and you have additional clips. I like that they include that in the package, because if you need to repair your clip-in, you already have what you need to do that. So yeah, I will have all the links down in the description box. They have a bunch of colors for these highlights. So if you want to do like bold colors like purple, blue, they have silver gray. They have everything that you need. Just check the link down below. If I have a discount code, that'll be down below as well. And yeah, I'll see you beauties in the next video. Bye.